Okay, so today I'm going to show you on a 670, which is the same inner workings as a 770. The majority of Canon's printers do look pretty similar on the inside. You'll see here that I've moved the carriage over, okay? And if you are seeing air rather, inside these ink lines, it's going to be pretty obvious. I noticed over here I've got some bubbles. See some tiny little bubbles right here. That's not a problem right now. What is a problem, though, is when small bubbles become, large gaps. So right inside here is the purge unit. And these pads right here do become soiled from time to time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to remove them. Hopefully the camera stays where it's at. This is pretty soiled in here, so this is soft rubber, so you want to be very, very careful with this. But these do pop out. Oops. And that's me banging them up here. But you can see they do pop out. I'm wearing gloves because they do have a tendency to get pretty nasty. And I do this a lot, so I'm familiar with what it looks like. So I am going to set this down real fast. Nope, that ain't going to work either because I still need the light. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to do, I'm just going to prop them both out of here to show you, and then I'm going to go rinse these off. If you're going to rinse them, you want to rinse them with warm, borderline hot water, and you can rinse them until pretty much all of the black and the coloration is off of them. So again, there are both right there, and I will turn the video back on whenever they are rinsed off. Okay, so we are back. You can see here that the pads came a little bit clean, but not like too grand and wonderful here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to not pay attention to the screen for a second because I'm going to put these back in, and then I'm going to show you how it looks when they're put back in. But you just kind of line them up and you push them in. Now I'm going to see if I can't get close enough here to show you. See the little tabs that are inside there? See how they're not held down over here? You just got to kind of work this a second and they'll come back out. You get those tabs back in there, and that's what holds the thing in place. I'm just going to keep working them here for a second, and then I'm going to put the camera back over to show you again. So you can see the little tabs around the outside edges. That's what's holding those caps down. So please make sure that those are back in place and holding those caps in place. And that looks significantly cleaner than it was when I started this process. Then go ahead and fire the printer back up. Reseat the carriage. Okay, so once you reseat that back over, you may turn the printer off and back on.